Hi, boys and girls. Last week we learned about Benjamin Franklin, and this week we're going to continue to learn a little bit more about him. We learned that he was an inventor best known for his work with electricity, and that he also he drafted and he signed the Declaration of Independence. We know that he was born in Boston, Massachusetts in 1706, and this week we're going to learn a little bit more about him, like I said. He was a great inventor and a statesman. A statesman is a political leader or figure. He was never the president, but he did write and sign some very important documents, both the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. The picture on the left here shows Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, and John Adams looking at drafts of the Declaration of Independence. A draft is kind of like a rough copy. It has lots of mistakes and errors on it, so it's just what they're looking for in order to make the final document, which you see here on the right, which is also the Declaration of Independence. How do you think this painting relates to this document? Each of the 13 colonies was settled and founded by European nations. Benjamin Franklin was born in Boston, Massachusetts, which I've highlighted up here. And then, like I said, he spent most of his time in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, which is right here. While he was there, he became the owner and publisher of a colonial newspaper called the Pennsylvania Gazette. I want you to go over here and click this link to watch a quick video on the 13 colonies. Some of the character traits that would describe Benjamin Franklin would be commitment. Commitment is a promise to do something. He was committed to writing, improving people's lives with his inventions, and creating a new nation, the United States of America. Perseverance also was another character trait of his, continuing to do something in spite of its difficulties. Franklin did not give up even when things required hard work.